Hello, EV friends. I get a lot of questions about plug and charge and what it really means and how it actually works. So I thought I'd just take a quick moment, do a short video on what it looks like, just so you can see it in action. I'm in my 2023 Volkswagen ID.4 Pro all-wheel drive, and I first have to turn on plug and charge in my vehicle. All EVs are going to be pretty much the same. So I'm in my settings I'm in my home screen on my ID.4. So I will go into my charging setting. Comes up, tells me how many miles and how much charge is left. Well, then I go into settings, and I have a setting right there, plug and charge. I have it turned on, meaning that when I plug the charger into my vehicle, it's going to go ahead and start the charging process automatically. I am at an Electrify America station, so I have their app already. I don't have to open it, but I already have a credit card in the app, so that's what it's going to connect to through my car. It's going to charge it automatically. I won't have to take any other action. Let's go ahead and see how that works. All right, here I am at the Electrify America station. Relatively new here, so let's see how it works. I go ahead and I pick up the charging cable, come over here to the side of my ID.4. I'm going to go ahead and open it, pull out the plug, and let's just go ahead and put this in. All right, there we go. All right, it's connected. Now I'm going to go over to the charger. Let's see what happens. All right, it's saying it's connecting, so that's the plug and charge part. So it's just going to go ahead and connect, and we'll give it a moment. Up there. All right, it now recognizes me. It says, yes, you are authorized. You have plug and charge set up. It's initiating the charge now. I can hear it in the charging over there, the batteries. All right, I'm in Ohio. It's 56 cents a kilowatt here in Ohio. So let's just go and see how much speed I'm going to get right now. All right, it's turning on. And it's starting. I can hear it starting to throw those electrons into my vehicle. And the charging speed is 59 kilowatts. All right, already. So it's about 30 degrees here in January of 2026. Actually, it's February 2026. So that's it, folks. Here's just a picture of my white ID.4 VW 2023. So that's it, everybody. Just wanted you to see how plug and charge worked and how easy it is. If you have an EV, hopefully you turn it on and use it. It's very, very simple. Don't have to be out of your car very long at all. So that's it, everybody. Take care and see you next time. Bye-bye.